This is your HTML editor. I am removing the unnecessary part for the frame. So we are going to learn frame, students. So even body also we need to remove, students. Why, I will explain you little later. Let me finish first. Even wait, yeah, this much has to be there on screen, students. Fine. So now why body I removed, I will say you later. Now let me start with the frame tag. So frame tag starts with frame set, student. There is no gap between frame set. Okay, there is no gap between frame set. So frame set, you have to first of all decide you want to divide them in rows or you want to divide them in column. So if you want to divide them in rows, you have to write rows equal to 50-50. Then you have to end the what, the angle bracket. Fine, students. Then frame set is a pair tag, so you need to end it at last. So just end here. It is not case sensitive, students, so no need to worry whether you are typing capital or small. That also you already we cleared. Now let give a slash sign here. So this is frame set. Fine, students. So frame set is done. Thereafter, inside the frame set, we have to take the frame tag, students. Frame set is the outer tag. Inside we have to write the tag frame. So frame tag is responsible for dividing your screen into multiple part. So as we wrote before that we need two screen, students. Fine, we need how many screens? Two screen, that is in row and in two rows. So we have to write it like this. So here what I wrote, frame SRC path. Fine. So what is path, students? As I told, we can divide a screen into two part. So each part can have a individual window. So that window's path, that website's path, you have to write here. Fine, which I will say you later. At first let create the frame. So now I'm just copying this, in spite of writing, I'm just copying this entire content and pasting below. Just a second, see. So there are two frame SRC I wrote. So frame SRC stands for source, SOURCE, source. So frame SRC is responsible to create each part. As before already we define rows 50-50, it means the equal division will be there, and in each division there will be one screen. So you check please. Got, students? As the path I didn't specify, so in first part also it is showing web page not visible, and in the second page also it is showing that it is not available. Fine, students. Now the same thing in the same screen, I am just dividing, I am just specifying calls in place of rows. Now you check what it is showing, students. It is dividing your screen into two columns. Understood, students? Fine. So as much as division you have done, so you have to specify same number of frame SRC path. Inside path we have to give the path of the file which you want to open, which we will specify later on, no need to worry. At first you try to divide it proper way. Okay, students.